Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In Apex Racing, your main source of income comes directly from racing. Winning races naturally provides more rewards, so practice is key. Make sure to complete career mode objectives, as these often offer significant payouts upon completion. By consistently performing well, you'll steadily build up your in-game bank, ready for those exciting upgrades. Don't forget about the daily and weekly bonuses available in Apex Racing. Completing your daily missions is a fantastic way to grab quick cash with minimal effort. Weekly challenges, while sometimes tougher, offer even larger rewards, making them worth the grind. And simply logging in each day can net you valuable bonuses, so make sure you don't miss out on those free coins. Apex Racing frequently hosts special events and tournaments that are excellent for earning serious money. These limited-time challenges often feature higher reward multipliers or unique currency types. Competing in tournaments can land you on leaderboards, where top positions yield massive payouts. Always keep an eye on the in-game event schedule. These opportunities are too good to pass up. Managing your garage effectively can also boost your earnings. If you find yourself with unused car parts or duplicate vehicles, consider selling them off. This clears up inventory space and provides a nice chunk of extra currency. Remember to invest your hard-earned money wisely into upgrades that truly improve your performance, helping you win even more races. Finally, focus on your long-term progression in Apex Racing. Hitting game achievements and milestones often comes with hefty currency bonuses. If there's a season pass, advancing through its tiers can also unlock a steady stream of cash. By setting long-term goals and playing consistently, you'll build up a substantial in-game fortune over time, making you a true racing mogul.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.